Hello guys, this is Yogita and you're watching English Finishing School. So I've been meeting you guys after a long time with a new cue card, someone older than you whom you admire. Previously हमने बहुत सारे cue cards आपके लिए record किए हैं and if you have not watched them yet, don't forget to watch them and also subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more updates about our future videos. तो शुरुआत करते हैं आज के इस cue card की जिसका टाइटल है Someone older than you whom you admire. And the cues for this cue card are who this person is, how you know this person, what kind of things you like to do together and explain how you feel about this person. वो पर्सन कौन है, आप उसको कैसे जानते हैं और आप क्या क्या कुछ साथ में इकट्ठा करते हैं एंड आप उस पर्सन के बारे में क्या फील करते हैं. सो चलिए बिना डिले किए इस क्यू कार्ड की शुरुआत करते हैं. हाउ कैन वी डेवलप दिस क्यू कार्ड इन दैट 1 minute which the examiner gives us. First of all, the journal ideas. We have to just think about some journal statements which we can use in the beginning of this cue card. Like, old people always provide unconditional love, kindness, patience, humor and comfort in our life. That's not surprising that we focus on the contributions, the older members and how important it is to continue to make them an integral part of our life. This is an age full of myriads of experiences, knowledge and intellect. Myriads of experiences. Myriads means variety and different sort of experiences. One cannot underestimate the vitality means importance of old people in life, as they are an ocean of knowledge, wisdom and intellect. We admire old people for various reasons and always seek their blessings for our well-being. Now let us look at some vocabulary words which can help us in developing this cue card in a better way to score a higher band. First of all, let us look at the synonyms for admire, that is applaud, appreciate and you hold someone in reverence, that means you have a deep respect for that person. Of course, you can use certain idioms to describe that person who is older than you. Probably he or she might be a smart cookie, means very intelligent and clever. Eager weaver is very hard working. If a person is very active and hard working, you can say he is eager weaver. And then if a person loves to plant and loves to grow various sort of plants, you can say he is a green thumb. Energetic, dynamic and active, these are the adjectives you can use to describe that person. Early bird, a person who gets up early in the morning, of course for morning prayers and other day chores. So you can say he or she is an early bird. Normally old people have the tendency that they get up early in the morning. Age is just a number. That's quite close to my heart, this idiom particularly, which means basically if a person is getting old and still looks beautiful beyond his or her age, you can talk about that person, that age is just a number for her. Jack of all trades, probably the person knows art of doing each and everything. Amiable is loving, lovable, friendly, gets friendly with people easily and loving and highly respectable. Good sense of humor, when you sit in his or her company, the person has a good sense of humor, cracks jokes and you also get involved and engaged in the discussions and interactions you do with that person. The person is quite witty and intelligent, never judges a book by its cover, but has got strong judgment. He never jumps on conclusion when it comes to people and situation. So he takes time to understand and then analyzes. Of course, that's what we call an experience an old person gets through age. Born optimist means a person who is very positive. So you can use that idiom if you feel that the person who you are appreciating is quite positive in attitude. Candid and open-minded. Candid is a friendly and honest approach and open-minded is that a person is not conservative and narrow-minded. The person is quite open and modern in thinking and helpful and caring. Wherever anyone needs his or her help, the person offers it. Always smiling and pleasing, that's but a part of the person's personality which makes it impressive. Now let us look at the model answer without wasting any time so that we can have a boost up in your scores. Old people always provide unconditional love, kindness, patience, humor and comfort in our life. It's not surprising that we focus on the contributions the older members and how important it is to continue to make them an integral part of our life. This is an age full of myriads of experiences, knowledge and intellect. One cannot underestimate the vitality of old people in life, as they are an ocean of knowledge and wisdom. We admire old people for various reasons and always seek their blessings for our well-being. There are certain old people in our life in whose company we always feel heavenly and protected. I feel the same in the company of my aunt who lives near my neighborhood. She is in her 80s but has such a dynamic and exuberant personality that I appreciate her from the core of my heart. She is an early bird and gets up before the dawn. Being an eager weaver, she works hard day and night in gardening, daily chores and routine household work. I always love to be in her company because of a good sense of humor, pleasing personality and positivity. She is a born optimist and always looks at the bright side of things. Looking at her, it always seems to us that age is just a number. She looks extremely beautiful despite her old age, and her simplicity and elegance is adorable and beyond words. She is jack of all trades and expresses her talent and flair in every task she undertakes. She loves to be in the lap of nature and has a green thumb. I often spend my time with her in her kitchen garden, which she has maintained quite beautifully with her own hands. We do plantation, chit-chat, and I enjoy listening to her amusing stories with rapt attention. Apart from this, she is quite witty and never judges a book by its cover. I can just say she is the most admired person in my acquaintances. We get along really well with each other, and her presence really makes my life interesting. So that is all about this cue card, guys, and I hope you get many ideas to develop your cue card. Do not memorize this answer. As I always tell you, take ideas, take good vocabulary and develop your own cue card to present in a natural way, because the key to IELTS speaking is to sound natural. So good luck for your exam. Keep watching our videos. Do subscribe our channel. And do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get notifications in time for our future videos. Thank you.